Hey, everyone, and welcome back to the channel Caring Guy. If you're looking for the perfect, crash-proof gift to introduce a child or a total beginner to the world of flying, you've found it. This is the mini drone fixed-height quadcopter, and it's packed with safety features and simple controls that make first flights easy and fun. Stress-free flying for beginners. The biggest barrier for new pilots is control, but this mini aircraft solves that completely. The secret is the fixed height feature. Once you launch, the drone automatically holds its altitude, so the pilot only has to focus on steering, not constantly managing the throttle. It makes learning so much less frustrating. It's also built to last. Made with tough metal material and surrounded by that robust protective frame, this tiny quadcopter can handle the bumps and drops that come with beginner flying. It's safe for the drone and safe for the furniture, making it ideal for indoor flights, though it can fly outdoors up to about 60 meters high. Easy controls and awesome tricks. This drone is designed for pure fun, right out of the box. You get the ultimate ease of use with one-button start and landing. Just tap, and you're airborne. For advanced tricks, kids love the 360-degree rotation. It can pull off cool flips with a simple button press. It also features headless mode, which is fantastic for beginners because you don't have to worry about which direction the drone is facing. Plus, the bright night flight lights look absolutely awesome when flying after sundown. You can control it with a high-frequency 2.4 GHz remote or, for extra convenience, use your smartphone via the app-controlled function. The perfect starter kit. This micro-aircraft measures just 7.4 by 7.4 by 2.4 centimeters, making it truly pocket-sized. With about 10 minutes of flight time and a rapid 60-minute recharge, it's ready to go again almost as fast as they can say one more flight. If you need a safe, durable, and seriously fun remote control toy for a child, teen, or any absolute beginner, this mini drone is an excellent choice. Do you prefer to fly mini drones indoors or outdoors? Let me know in the comments below.